Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker issue in your device Oneplus Nord CE2. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Oneplus Nord CE2, you are having issue related to the sound or the speaker of the device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device OnePlus Nord CE2. Let's watch it.